Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a clean profile UI inside of Roblox Studio. Check out our store, gfxcomet.com. We have a ton of free assets for you guys to use for your game. We have a lifetime access pack right here. So if you guys enjoy the content and you want to show some support, link is going to be down below. Thank you guys for all of your support, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, welcome back. This is a remake of a very old video of ours back to like 3 years ago or so. So yeah, well, this UI I think looks pretty good, and in the old video I did not show you guys how to import this UI here. So okay, so enough wasting time. We're going to start with a new layer, and we're going to go for our rectangle. We're going to go for, I would say 5 to 10 pixels for the corner radius. The more round your corners are, the more cartoony it looks. But anyways, I'm gonna go for 10. We will give this a shot. So I'm gonna go for a nice frame, just like so. I'm gonna go for 15 actually. Looks better like this. Okay, so I'm going to change our color as well. Go for like a this kind of color. We're going to copy our rectangle, make the width 1 pixel, and the idea here is I'm going to use this as our guidelines because I am not a fan of these Photoshop guidelines here. It's just a lack of control for me, at least. I'm going to increase the height, extend 1080 like so. This will be the center on our horizontal axis, and then I'm gonna go copy 1 pixel, 1920. This will be our right here. There we go. I'm going to make a group and call this our guides, and lower the opacity. It's like 20. That works for me. That works. Okay, so now we're going to copy our rectangle, and we're going to make our title in a darker shade, like so. Control T. We're going to resize right about here. Alright, so I think the color is a bit too dark here. The contrast is too large, so we're gonna go modify this color. I think this is fine. If you guys want, you can add a gradient if you make a new layer. Right click and hit create mask, and basically use your brush tool with these kind of settings, and then you basically go straight across and creates a nice soft gradient. Same with the title, like this, I suppose. Lower the opacity as well. I try to go for like even values. Alright, so anyways, let's make sure everything is good. Okay, for this thing, this looks pretty good. Okay, we can also add a stroke like this, or go for a gradient stroke. Actually, this could look nice if we do this correctly. Perhaps change the angle as well. This color is too bright. Lower this thing. Actually, I'm gonna go for like this color. Let's take a look. I think I like this. It's fine. It's very subtle. Yeah, I guess it's okay. Maybe increase the size. 3, 4, 5. Let's go for like 5. Increase a nice little stroke around our frame here. Okay, I'm going to. This will be X for the horizontal, and Y. We're going to. Well, I'm going to frame out the edges here. This is the stroke. So we're just going to frame this thing like this right here. As you can see. Okay, so now our title text will go right here. Font size 24, I think, or 26. Change the color. Just slightly off-white. Nothing too crazy. Okay. This is looking pretty good so far. Okay, so next we have the EXP. So I'm gonna go for ellipse. And our shape will be like so. Going to position this thing like right here. Let's see the center. Boom, right here. Change the color. You can also make this a gradient as well. Perhaps like flip the colors like this, I guess. Lower the opacity. In here, we're gonna add our we're gonna copy 50%. Increase the font size 42. I'm gonna copy the ellipse. I'm gonna go for fill off and stroke on. I'm gonna use the color blue. Increase the value here. 10 should work. I'm gonna go for outside. So it goes around our circle. And the color here is like a blue teal color. So we can also try this out. Got a bunch of color points right here. Let's go for a teal, blue. Mix these colors up. Up to you, really. Change the angle like so. Okay, so how you want to import the EXP bar is going to depend on your own personal preference. I'm actually gonna increase the size here. So scale both down, make sure it is centered. We take this, oops. Let's group this up. I'm just gonna brighten up the text color a slight bit. Alright, next we have the level. Just gonna go right here. Level 5. Lower the size. Let's place it like right here. Use a guideline to establish the edge right here. And then I'm going to move this like, I don't know, right here or so. Level the EXP amount right here. Also, I'm using this font just so it's like cartoony. You don't have to, but okay. Anyways, next for our actual bars, go for rectangle. Increase the corner radius. I'm going to grab a color. I'm going to start from right here so it is aligned. I'm just gonna go across like this. As you can see, there is one bar. Perhaps increase the height like 20. Oops, why is it buggy? Anyways, okay, here is one bar, and then we can add some color. Go for like a, I don't know, like a reddish pink color. And then I'm just gonna copy, paste. So 8 pixels, no. I'm gonna go for 12 pixels in between. Okay. Make sure this is aligned. Nudge this thing over. This will be, I don't know, you go for any color. I'm gonna go for, it's the same colors here. But like a lighter shade. Like so. Alright. This is our UI. I think it looks pretty good. This is solid. However, I can change the background color. There we go. Now we can actually see what's going on. Right here. Okay. Now we have to recreate this inside of Roblox Studio. Alright, so here we are. Let's not waste any time. So screen GUI, profile, frame, canvas, fit parent, set anchor. We're gonna scale, and the background color. There we go. And add a frame. We call this main. The same sizing that we have in Photoshop. So reference your Photoshop design. 826 by 356. Okay, we're gonna go for corner. 0.1. Nope. 0.05. Okay, looks fine. All right. And now I'm gonna add a gradient. -90 for the angle. Go for our first color, and then our second. Boom, like so. We're gonna add a stroke to main, 4 pixels colored white, and a gradient for the stroke itself, -90. I'm gonna go for, let me open. Here it is. Okay, I am kind of tired, so forgive me. But first color, right here, and then we have the second color right so here. Oops. Okay. There we go. Looking pretty good. So pretty good so far. We're gonna add a frame. This will be our title. I'm gonna copy and paste the gradient. Except we're going to have a different color here, so a darker gradient scheme, basically, like this, and lighter. Boom. Okay. The size of our title is going to be 826 by 76. We're going to also have a corner, offset 0. We're going to have a scale of, I think, like, we shall see if this is accurate. I think I'm going to increase the stroke thickness to like 5 or like 7. Now, I think this looks much better, if you ask me. 0.25 for the corner radius here, as you can see. Okay, looking pretty good so far. Alright, so I'm gonna scale all this stuff inside of title. We're gonna add our text. I'm going to speed this up, change our font, text scaled, aligned by the left, text color, silver off-white. I'm gonna go for any text you want. Okay, now we're going to make a new frame. This will be our EXP. 176 for the size. X and Y. 1, 0. Go for a gradient as well. And then I'm going to select the top color. I guess it'll be this right here. And then a lighter shade. We're going to add a stroke. Boom. 5. 10 pixels, or 15 if you want. Color white. Gradient. There we go. Okay. I don't know how you guys would program the stroke thing. You could make a separate shape, so 2 circles. You know, obviously that's not actually 50%, but yeah, I'm gonna copy our text there. I'm gonna fast scale this thing. Okay, we have our level 5. Anyways, 508 by 20 is gonna be our bar size. Our color. This would be our, I don't know. I'm just gonna call it bar. Corner 1. Okay, copy and paste in. Main. You could do a gradient, but I'm just gonna go for like a pinkish color like this. And copy and paste the bar. You know, obviously you could be more precise. All right, here is our profile UI. Take a look. Looks pretty darn good. Here is the mobile view. We have tablet right here. You can see it is responsive. All right, anyways, if you guys have enjoyed this video, check out our store, grab some free assets, purchase anything that you guys want. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.